Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. In this video, we are going to see the structure or the saraf of Arabic words, and under that, we are going to learn about the morphology of the Arabic, and we are going to see how different Arabic words change their forms according to different situations. So let's go to our next slide. This is our first slide, and on this slide, on the right hand side column, I have defined the scales of the Arabic words, and towards the left hand three columns I have defined three Arabic words and their variations according to these scales. So for example, this is a three-lettered word Zohar, and Zohar is on the scale of fail, and it is a three-lettered word verb, and Zohar is to appear. And Zohar can be also used once you are at the back, since on the human body the back is like in a very apparent form. So that's where it can be used there as well. Second word is Fajr. Fajr is also a three-letter word, but it is a noun. So Fajr is like explosion or bursting up. And then we have the Asar word. Asar is also a three-lettered word, and Asar is like a period or like a era, but the period is the sense that like this word is always in a circulating manner or in a rotating manner. We are going to use it as we are going to see its different forms. So like a period, like in a circulating manner, we are going to see it like a period or a epoch. So in that sense we are going to use it. And then we have from fail, we are going to make this file form, and file Fajr is going to become Fajr, which is going to be an adjective. So the Fajr is something which is going to break out or burst out. And then we have Zahir, and Zahir is like something which is like apparent, like which is like prominent, apparent. So in that sense, and then we have from file, we have Mafile form, and Mafile is going to make Asar into Masar. Masar is somebody which is like contemporary, but remember that this thing is always we are going to use like in the case of a circulating manner or in the case of a period. Like period can be the Asar, like if we are talking about in a circulation manner. Then the same file is going to make Zahir into Mazahir, and Mazahir is like the appearances, the multiple appearances, and that's why it is a plural. And then we are going to get Mafaila form from Mafail, and that is going to make Mazahir into Mazahira. Mazahira is like a appearance by the people. So in that sense we are going to use. And then we have from Masar, we are going to get Masra. Masra is something which is like rotating and which is going to squeeze something. So it can be like a juicer. So in the case of a juicer, if you are going to see, every kind of a juicers are going to rotate. There is going to be a machine inside those which is going to be rotating, and that is going to make a juice out of fruits. So Masra is a juicer only because it is going to, by rotation, squeeze out the juice. And then we have Faul form. Faul is going to make Fajr into Fajur, and Fajur is a noun, and Fajur is actually the breaking out of something, like when something is going to liberate itself from something. So in that sense we are going to use it as well. Like there can be a person as well who is going to not accept the the formal laws of your country, and he is going to liberate himself out. So in that sense we can use as well Fajur, like burst out or liberate yourself out or break up, or like break out. And then we have Zahur. Zahur is again going to be like apparent or appearances. So in that sense we are going to use. And then we are going to have a Faul, plural form as well. In the case of this Asar, Asar is going to become Asur. Asur is going to be a plural form. A plural form, it is going to be the eras or the periods. like in the case of a period, like in the case of a round kind of a thing. In that way we are going to use it. And then we have file form. File is object noun, and it is going to make Zohar into Zahir. Zahir is again something which is like apparent. And then we have Asir, and Asir is going to be that juice which is going to come out of this juicer. So Asir is something is going to get squeezed out or twisted out, or once we are going to twist like a lemon, so its juice is going to come out. And that juice, since it is going to get out due to the squeezing of the thing or the twisting of the thing, so that's where that is going to be called the asir. Like this word is also always going to be in some kind of a rotation kind of a manner. It is going to have the meaning, but the circulating kind of a manner. And then from file we are going to get tafeel form. Tafeel is going to make fajr into tafjir. Tafjir is like explosion or breaking out of something. Like once we are going to bomb something, it can create an explosion. That is going to be a tafjir. And tasir is again going to be some kind of a squeezing out of a juice due to its rotation. And then we have Faila. From Fail we are going to have a Faila form as well, and that is going to make Zohar into Zahir into Zahira. And Zahira is going to be something which is like apparent as well, but it can be noon as well. Since we know that noon comes in the day once the sun is going at the back end, like sun has passed its center point and now it is going towards the back end. So since Zohar is like apparent and the back of a human body is also like prominent or apparent, so that's where it can be used in the form of a back as well, and that is where that part of the day can be called noon as well. But it is always going to be used as or interpreted as something apparent or related to back. Like this Zahir can be used as for a full back as well in the case of a sports team, since he is going to sit at the back end. And then we have this Fala form. Fala form is going to make Zohar into Zahara and Asar into Asara. So Asar is going to be a juicer again. This Asara is going to be a juicer, and Zahara is going to be a part of a body. So this form usually is an instrumental noun, but it can be different. So Asara is like that instrument, like juicer, which is going to rotate and it is going to create juice, squeeze the juice out of your fruit. And then we have Afal scale. Afal is going to make Zohar into Azhar. Azhar is like again appearance. Isar is again something rotating or circulating, like in the case of a wind, like once we have a tornado or like a tsunami or like a typhoon. So those can be called Isar, like a typhoon or a tornado, because they are circulating. Their air is like in a round form circulating, and that's where we are going to use it. And then we have Infal form. From Afal, Anfal is going to make Fajr into Anfajar, and Fajar is again blowing up of something, bursting out of something. And then we have the Felan form. Felan is going to make Zohar into Zohran. Zohran is like a disturbance which is going to appear, like there is a crowd from some side, it is going to appear, and that disturbance you are going to see. So Felan can be a disturbance noun as well, like in this case Zohran. So appearance which is like which is creating a disturbance, like in the case of a crowd. And then we have time, and then we have Muffal. Muffal can be a time noun or a place noun, or it can be the center of activity as well, like a markaz. In the sense we can use that like a markaz. And then that's why this Fajr is going to become Mafjar. Mafjar is going to be that like that person or that center of activity which is going to explode something like a bomber. And then we have Mazhar is going to be again that center of activity which is going to make something apparent. So it can be used as a manifestation, for example, manifestation of something, like that center of activity which is going to appear or make something appear. From Mofil, we are going to have Mofila form. Mofila form can be again an instrumental noun, like an instrument, and that's where Asar is going to be at Mosra. Mosra is again some kind of a juicer. And then we have Failat form. Failat is a verb. Failat is going to make Fajr into Fajrat, and Fajrat is again bursting out of something. Zohrat is appearing of something. Asrat is like again squeezing of something due to its rotation, like twisting of a like for example the lemon and juice coming out of that. And then we have afal form. Afal is going to be a verb, and fajr is going to become afjar. Afjar is again bursting out of something, of the breaking up of something. Azhar is going to be the appearance, and the asar is again going to be a squeezing of something, squeezing in a rotative manner, in a circulation manner. And then we have unfail form from afail, and unfail going to make afjar into unfajar, and fajar is again blowing out of something or bursting out of something. And then we have tafal form. Tafal is also a verb, and tafal is going to make zohar into tazhar, and tazhar is again the appearing out of something. Tasar is again going to be the squeezing of something, juice coming out of due to its rotation. And then we have tafal form again, which is a noun, and tafal is going to make this fajr into tafajjar. Tafajjar is going to be an explosion again, or a burst, or a breakup. And we have mutfail form from tafil, and mutfail is an adjective which is going to make this tafajjar into mutfajjar. Mutfajjar is going to be that thing which is like explosive, like a explosive material, mutfajjar, which is going to break up something. So now let's take a summary out of it. And remember this thing, this is like an appearance or appearing out of something. It has nothing to do with time. This is like a fajr. Fajr is like a breakup of something or bursting of something. And then we have this asar as well, and asar is like circulating of something which is always going to be like in a rotative manner, like in the case of a time or a era. You can see in it can be used as a period as well, or anything which is going to be in a circular form, circulating, like a juicer in this case, or a tornado, which is also going to be like air is like in a circulating manner in those. So this is pretty much it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Have fun.